Hey traders, so here we have at least 1 hour. It's after the opening, close to 1 hour after the opening. So I have a 1 minute chart here. So what I'm looking at is basically where are we here in terms of, and this has been going down since 8 o'clock. We had news at 8:30. I was able to make money on that one. So this is the news, I believe. Yeah, that's right there. But now it's been going down ever since. Let's get my thing here, my ticker chart. Hear my ticker sound. Oops, it's going to be signing in. There we go. Okay, so let's see. Man, and I forgot to put down here where the previous day high and low are. Wonder if I have this here. Basically, we okay. So let me see here. Prior day. Wonder if I have it here. Yeah, here we are. Here we are. Prior day. Show low and open. No. Show high and low. Prior open high. Prior open. Nope. High and low. That's all I needed. So we need that 4 dots. Okay, that's big enough. Apply. It should be okay. There we are. So as we approach this, we can see it tested lower right here. Hasn't broken that. We're basically testing the session mid here, where basically where the mid band is. Let's see what happens here. It's going to come back down. So let's look at it also. I'm trading a PA. I'm done with trading I'm done trading the PA. I'm trading an evaluation, another 50K evaluation. So here we are. So let's look at this. So in this one, we're seeing, we're overrunning the mid band here, but not the 233. We have the 233 right there. So let's see what's going to happen here. Again, always keep in mind where your what we call a super trend indicator is. That's right there. And we're still down. We're not breaking that right now. So this may come down. Let's see. Maybe just for a pullback, either 233. Again, it did hit here, and it did not create a lower low. It created a higher low. So we may see, since we're creating a higher low here, it may create a higher high. See, that's where we're at. Same thing here. You see this lower creating a higher low. Here's a lower high. So let's see if it's going to break that. Right now, you see, again, we got to see where that's going to close. Technically, we want to see this close below the 21 EMA right here. That's where we want to see it close below to take a short. And we would like to see a reversal here as well. But right now we don't see a reversal. The only reversal we have here is going to the upside. Let's see if it creates a higher high here. So if my PA, I'm already up 500 there. I'm done with that. That's a 50K evaluation. I don't want to overtrade that. So we're finishing. You see, it's closing above the mid band, but I want to see break this high, this swing. See some buying blocks here. It's decreasing. We also have a buying block here, so we may be going up. We have a see this instead of red now you have teal, which means it has now switched to buying. So we also have we call this as triple algo right there. That's a powerful algo. Let's see if it does continue. Same thing here now. We want to see that break the high, but here we have what we have. We have the VWAP. So we got 22 seconds left in that bar. Let's see what happens. Still closing above that mid band. I mean, I'm talking about the 1 minute bar. See, we're still closing above. Let's see, we break here. We break this high. And I want to see that break. I want to see this bar close above that swing, not just merely just pierce it and come back down. Okay, so we got 24 seconds left. Let's see if it maintains being above that. It looks like it might try. 10 seconds. Usually I'm going to start buying here. I'll buy.
Order filled.
So this one, I'm looking maybe going up into here. Let's see if it gives give us the push into the next fair value gap in there. It has to go through this super trend indicator. Let me just see. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, might as well switch this down. Let's see if it breaks this indicator there. Here, let's see this break the VWAP. I want to see it close above the VWAP, not just pierce it. Gonna test this again. We got a new one. So it's still above that. You see where it closed above that 10 EMA. Let's see if it does that. Let's see, just probably pierce this. But hit my stop. Okay.
Stop filled.
That's fine. 345. So it's bring this indicator. So what we see here, we want to see this go below. We want to see where this closes. So we have 30 seconds left. Just want to see where this is. Yeah, we still continue the downside. I should not have taken that trade. It's going against the trend. 9 seconds. Let's see where this goes. 2, 1, there.
Order filled. Order filled.
So you gotta get down here now. Let's see, you can test this low down here. Trying to figure out if they're going to continue going down or up. They can't figure it out. We have a spinning, we have a doji there. This candle right here finished below that doji. Let's see. It's gonna this current candle will close below. .30 seconds. A little over 30 seconds. You can't really see that here on the Renkos. I want to see where the time-based bar closes. So see, we got 20 seconds. Let's see if we can continue going down. 9 seconds. Let's see. Yeah, definitely going to close below the previous candle. So that's good. There we go. A lot more momentum to the downside, as you can see the size of that candle. As long as this current candle closes below that previous candle, that's good. The MACD here is still, good strong momentum to the downside. We're still in the bottom of this Bollinger Band here, right here. Even though price is not cooperating. So we have 3 seconds to, okay, so now we we no longer close below. So what you want to see here is basically see a either reversal back down. See, we have a reversal bar to the upside here. So let's see. We got 7 seconds. Let's see what happens. See, it's below. It closed below that close of the previous candle. There we are. Which is hope, that gives some hope to it may continue back down. We're getting more momentum to the downside right there. And so on this one, you can see also creating a reversal. Let's see if it completes that. It did close lower than the previous, but let's see what happens to this one. Okay. There we have a reversal candle on the Ninja Ringo, so which is good. See if you can break this structure there. If that's the case, I might have to bring this down to yeah. Looks like they have strong momentum to break this I below. Right. So they had there. I had another.
Order filled.
Oh, it's going back up now. You know, when I added, they go back up. Yeah, we got 30, close to 30, a little under 30 seconds. Let's see what they're going to do here. Look at what they did. Once I entered that, I entered it too soon. I thought it was going to continue coming down. I should have just waited for the last 10 seconds. So there's 3, 2, 1. Now we go average. Look at that. We're now closing above. Let's see what happens here. Will they bring it back down? This may be a teaser. Let's see where they close this. They should not have scaled into that too soon. Less than 30 seconds. Hopefully they close below. Six, five, four, three. They'll be closing below than the previous candle. Or they continue coming down. I think they knew there were a lot of people there waiting for that to come down. That's why they brought it back up. Let's see if we can break that swing. Hmm. Hopefully, don't create a higher low here. As long as it's lower than previous candle, let's see. 6 seconds. Will they bring it down? Barely. They are. They close below. Barely. It's basically a doji candle. Again, you see on the Ninja Ringo, it's a reversal bar, right, to the downside. Ten. Yep. Yeah, the last 10 seconds they should be going down. Here we go. Come on, this. I think this 1 minute chart is a good compliment to the Ninja Renko on the 6416. See, they're not being consistent with this. Let's see, what are you going to do in the last 10 seconds of this candle? Will they close it below? Because currently, now you have three consecutive candles that are closing below. Not much momentum, but at least it's closing below the previous candle. 10 seconds. Look at this. Now, what are they going to do here? The last 10 seconds, will they bring it down or what? Or they're trying to bring it up? 5, 4. Look at that. You see what they did? So they closed it there. They closed it below. Oh, wow. They barely closed it below, not or even, at least not higher. It happened the last 2 seconds. Here we go. I have take profit here at minus 1.25 deviation. Six seconds found. Let's see what happens here. So let's see. I'm gonna close it below. Same. You can go higher or lower. Or do you know? Yeah, you can see they're having a battle right now. Indecision. There's no. See the little past two candles. There's really indecision. It's either red nor green. Again, no momentum. You can see. Look at this. They're trying to test that up there. Seven, 6, 5. Will they bring this down? No, they're gonna bring it up. Let's see if they're gonna be two consecutive candles going up. So here, We have an up candle. As long as it's closing below, oops, this closing is below the 10 EMA right here, right? See, it's closing below the 10 EMA. You want to see this close below the 10 EMA or the 21 EMA. So we got around, what, 30 seconds, a lot of time. Let me just test that. See, oh man, I think they're just reversing this now. You got 20 seconds. Let's see what happens. Wherever they close this. I should not have. Yeah, 10, 9, 8. They're closing this up. So they're bringing this up. Look at that. Very aggressive. 3, 2, 1. Close. Let me see. Yep. So with
Order
this, I'm already
filled.
at 1. Oh man, I might just. So if this is maybe 3. You got too aggressive with that. 3. Yeah. No, this is 2-5. I keep on forgetting. The drawdown here is 2-5. So maybe I do 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, or 6. I want to see where this ends. They might just bring it back down again. Because right here, we're looking at the 233, right? I know where my 233 here on the 1 minute chart is. Where's my 233 here? It's not even on here. I gotta put that in. Okay, so what do we see here? We didn't close above, so let's see what happens here. It's another doji. Why do I don't have the 233 on here? There's the pound. Look at that. Should have just left it in, but again, I didn't want to take this. Being impatient. Look at that. There's your thing. Should have taken this right here when it had 2 bars. Okay, so I'm going to take it around right here.
Order submitted.
Let me see how many seconds. Okay, so let's see what's going to hit there. If not, I'm going to take this cell right there.
Order filled. Target. Order canceled.
You see it, 10 seconds too. There we go.
Order filled.
Gonna bring this down. Bye.
Stop filled.
No, it's trying to move it up. Now, what is that? It's 25 seconds. I want to see what happens at 10 seconds. Man, that one I was trying to move up. See, look at that. 15. Let me see where this is going to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Take it.
Order filled.
Where am I here? We're below the previous candle, so we're going to go down here. Oops. Let's look at this. Where are we here? So the 1.25 is right there. So I'll take this to the -2 deviation. Right there. Now, do I want to add? Let's see. Hey, good morning, Elaine. This has a good big size candle. Oh, we have a, okay, so there's a mid of that fair value gap. Let's see if we can break that. If not, see how it's bouncing off that? Let's see if they have enough momentum to go down further, which would be around right here, the 1.5. Bring this up here. Finish lower than the previous. Let's see if we can get down here. Why is it way up there? Am I delayed again? Hold on. I'm getting delayed. Yeah, we're already past there. Oh my gosh. You know, I got to take this picture of this delayed data. See that 23 seconds? I just want to make sure so I can. Oh, where are we here? 74. No way. Okay, there. We're getting. Okay, now we're getting down. Okay, so that's good. 1 minute. Yep. Oh, here we are again, getting delayed data again. So we don't want to see this. I don't get stopped out too soon. So we closed here. We closed higher. This candle here than the previous candle. And I think why he's doing that because we hit the 1.25. See that? Hit the 1.25 extension. And I should have just left it at 1.25. Again, being greedy. That's how they do the IB. Well, this could be going up. Let's see if it finishes above this 10 EMA. Or even above this plus one deviation. Got more than 30 seconds left, so we'll see what happens here. So you see, we're already green here. Probably test this mid band on the Ninja Renko chart. 17 seconds, still out of time. They usually make the move last 10 seconds. Let's see what they're going to do. 9 seconds. Where will they close this? You see, close it lower. Okay, that gives us some. Will it continue coming down? They might just pierce this and bring it down. So now we have the reds. You see that we have sellers not coming in. See that? That's red now. This is red as well down here. How many seconds here? 3 seconds. Will it be lower than the previous candle? Yes, it is. Twenty seconds. They're gonna try to get up there. 10, 5, 6, 7. So they're gonna try to finish up to the upside here. 3, 2, 1. 10 seconds. Oh, finishing higher. Let's see again. I want to see this close above the. I want to see it close above that deviation. Well, let's see. This is the +1 or -1 deviation. Let's see where they're trying to bring this. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Just want to see where they're trying to bring this. Okay. They already reached this right here. That's 1.25 extension. So that's where they did. The ultimate goal is down here, right down there. Let's see if they bring it down there. See this? There's a lot of rejection going on here. Let's see if they can close it below this rejections. These are all where the rejections are being where it's being rejected. Let's see if they can finish below or close below that at least. See that? They're just being rejected. 5 seconds. Let's see if we can move down. At least it's lower than the previous candle, right? Not yet. Not quite. They didn't really close below that rejection right around here. Now I can see why. This is a bullish fair value gap, a big one from here to here. And this is the mid one right here. So let's see what they're going to do here. That's a good big question. Since they already tested it, that value, that fair value gap right there, they may test it again and hopefully it breaks through. No, bringing some volume in with that dot like that. That's basically control. When you have a pink dot like that, I mean you have seller's control. See? Let's see they bring it down. Trying to bring it down. That's a small one. At least it's lower than the previous candle, right? Again, everything's red. See, there's no buyers coming in. You see, there's red. It's all red numbers. Well, then we're changing now. Some buyers are coming in. Again, look at this. We have good support right here. This is 30 seconds left on this one. Let's see if they finish lower than this one. Let's see what they do. Uh, 22 seconds. A lot of time for them to move up and then come back down. Oh, man. I don't like that. Now you have some control. Buyers are coming in. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. So there. Got a higher buyer there. It didn't close. It didn't go close above the 21 EMA. Let's see what this one does. What's the MACD doing? Oh, we're right at the 0 line right now. 30 seconds. Let's see what they do. Nope, they brought it up. 15 seconds. They may just pierce that and bring it down. 6 seconds, 5. If they finish above this, I'm going to close this out. There we are. We finished above everything, so this is going to
Order
be
filled.
a good buy.
Order filled.
So we're going to have this penalty through here. Session mid. Since we have 2 consecutive bars there higher, right? That's why this probably go higher. I'm looking to them to see maybe test this up here. At least here. Because they already hit this extension here. When we see this bar close above the mid band. Not quite. So we have the upper band up here. They may try to get up there, but I think it's going to get up to, at the most, probably right here. Sure, now let's see if we close above the mid band. Got 30 seconds left. I'm going to scale in since it's going to close above that. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, a little lower. Take this one.
Order filled.
You want to see this close above this 0.5 deviation. That's a strong resistance level. There we go. 9 seconds. Let's see if it closes above that. I'll be good. I'll be happy about that. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. No, still below. Let's see what they do here. 6 seconds, 5. Let's see. Close below this. Hopefully not. Yes, little below the previous candle. So they have a battle with that 0.5 deviation. So will they close this above or below? Let's see what they do here. We got a close, a little under 30 seconds left. Hmm. 7, 6, 5, 4. Let's see where they close it. Close it below. I might just close this out. Closed it below. At least still above the mid band, right? Still above the mid band where they're closing. But they're not closing above this yellow line here. Again, I was telling you guys, so that's strong resistance. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Well, now we're finally closing above. Hopefully. 4, 3, 2, 1. And closed above. Good. They might just test us all the way up here. Like I said, all the way to the maximum. Let's see. I don't get too greedy. Up here at the maximum is 65%. Let's see. 9, 8, 7, 4 seconds. Good. Really. So now we have 2 consecutive candles higher from the prior candles. So let's see if they continue with 3. You can have any consecutive candles here, either higher or lower. Well, this one lower, but really not that much. It's closing within it's closing within this candle, right? So those two. So that's pretty good. It's not really strong momentum. So here, let's see. I'm trying to hit this 50%. I think that's what I'm going to have right there. Let me see here. 3 seconds to, okay, we're closing a little lower, which I don't like. Yeah, I'll have it right there. Increase. Nope, I like this other one. Oops. Nope, the wrong one. I get it down to the 50% here. We have a pivot, so let's see. Right on there. Okay, we closed above the prior candle. So you can get 1,000 here at least. Let's see if it finishes higher than the prior candle. 20 seconds left. You may do one more push. Seven, six, five, four, three, two, one. Okay, so it's higher than prior candle, but not that much momentum. There we go.
Target filled.
So it closed above there, above the pivot. So this is good. Might enter another. What the? Okay, those are the three. See what happens in the last 10 seconds, 30 seconds. Session mid. $15, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Not much. Probably closed lower. Yep, it did, just barely. Let's see what they do with this. They close above that VWAP right there. I'm gonna scale in.
Target filled.
Man, they just brought it up. Yeah. Let me go scale in there. Wow. There it is. They push it all the way up to the next fair value gap. Right into also the +5 deviation, which is, again, strong resistance. Look at that. Now they're going to bring it down. That was a good hit. So let's see. So here we're going to see, I'm going to enter here. I'm going to see what it does here. That's strong momentum candle, right? So let's see. We have 21 seconds. Look at that. It's going all up and down. Now, it depends on where they're going to finish. They're going to close this or what? Because right now we're at that indicator, super trend indicator. We're not closing above that. Oh yeah, we're not closing above that. So there's a close right there. Wait, why is it still moving? It's delayed. There. So it did close lower. Again, lower than the indicator here, right? You see it close above that. It just pierced it. But we're getting a lot of algos here. We got buyers here right at the bottom, which is a strong indicator that's still going to go up. We have 600 in blocks. You see this? It's no longer red like here. So now let's see what happens here. Again, it depends on where they close this bar. I don't no piercing, no wicks. I just want to see where they close it. I don't see any wicks here. This is going to be a strong bar, it looks like. Let's see. Unless it creates a wick here in the bottom. Oh, there. Okay, so closed higher. I don't see close above. This is the previous day high, I believe, or low. These high. Tell you the truth, I want to see them go close above this +1 or plus 0.5 deviation. Again, that's strong resistance. You can see we have a fair value gap there as well, a bearish fair value gap. Knock that out. So we have what, 13 seconds left. Let's see how this closes. Will it close above that 0.5 deviation? Have they tested this? They haven't tested this fair value gap either. There we are. So we closed above, right? Barely, or right at it. Not really above. Still got 30 seconds here. Well, they reached that. Let's see what they do. And leave it above that thing. 98765. Looks like they are. Good. I'll take this.
Order filled.
Try to get up to here. We have a fair value up here. That's the mid right there.
Order filled.
$15 seconds. Let's see. I want to see that close above that prior candle. 8 seconds. Push. Oh. 2 seconds. Still above. Running on a gas here. So you can do another push. 15 seconds. 6, 5. Not much momentum. There, come on. Weak momentum. They're building up on it though. There we go. Get another 500 here. Hopefully, yep, there we are. Let me see where they're going to bring this. Again, looks like we're going above. The extension to the upside now to the 1.25 up there. Okay, let's see. That's what it looks like we're trying to bring. Good. Right here. Right at the 1 plus 1.5 deviation. That's what they're trying to do. Since we just broke the upper, the upper range of that IB. So you can get 1,000 here. See if they get passed through that pivot, or they just basically do a wick and then come back down. How many seconds? Wait, 30 seconds. They can do one more push, do a wick and a rejection. Oh, not now. So I get that 1,000. Come on. 20 seconds. You can do one more push up there. There, 1,130. I'm delayed here. So let me see here. Let me put this here. Oh, yeah. See, that's going down. Oh, why? I'm delayed. 1 second. Where is this closing? Oh, man. This is delayed. I can't see it. Oh, wow. That's what happens. You get delayed data. Oh, no. No, 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 no. When you get this delayed data like this, it really affects your trading. Look at that. So let's see where it fit. Well, that's a long wick. Oh, let's see. Okay, they're trying to get back up. I can't tell where we are right now. 4. I'm just going through. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5. Went up as much as 600. Let's see if we can get past that. 3. I'm just basically tape reading since it's delayed. Come on. 165. Okay, still above there. 64. Two, 3. See, going up 3, 4. 4, 5, 6. Just need a push up. 7. Okay, we're good with that. I'm going to close it up. Let me put this stand up here. 7, 8. There. See if we can get past here, right over here. That'd be ideal. See this? It's going up to 8. Let's see if we can get a push up. Oh, it's getting close to 8. We just need a good push. There, 851. Look at that. Get past 9. There we go. Come on. We're getting some buyers in. I'm just tape reading right now. The candle's kind of, the price is off. So 9. Okay, come on. 7, 8. We need a good push. 977. Up as much as 977. We need a push. Here we go. Come on. Okay, here we go. Back up again. 8. Need a good push. Okay, flirting with 9. We got 1,100 here. 1,100. Think we got more push to 1,200. Let's see. I'm going to close it there.
Order filled.
There we are. 838. Hey, Rick. So with that, I think I got a little over 1,000. Again, I think I'm delayed on this thing. Let's see. Yeah, 55-second delay. I don't like that. And I'm complaining to the server here. Again, I don't know why I'm getting delays here. So now we get there. There's a good one. See that now? No delay. So let's look at this chart. What it looks like now. There we are. So that's where we're at. It hit the 1.25. I'm pretty much done. I hit my target there. That was the extension. So we hit both extensions. The 1.25 down here, right? Right there. You see extension. We came back up. I went all the way across, and that's why I was trading that trade and hit the 1.25 on the other end. And that's how you trade the IB, the initial balance. So that's it. I'm done. I was able to make 830, 850. This is on a what's it called? It's on a evaluation. I already hit my goal for my my PA. I made over 500. Okay, so that one trade. So this morning, I'm basically trading this PA or this evaluation for the morning session. I'm up right now 838, so that's good enough for a 50K evaluation. No, Larry, this is a evaluation. Here's my PA. There's my one PA. I already made 577. That's my target. I don't want to overtrade. This one is on an evaluation. I'll probably trade this. No, I forgot where it is. I think it's this one. Yeah. What I want to do is I'm going to probably trade this the afternoon session around the last 1 hour, last 30 minutes, and see how that goes. It's around 11:38. They might have another push. They may come back down here, but right now they're right there. They might try to test back down here. Where is my? Okay, so this is the see they basically reversed. So now where I want to see where my yeah, look at that, started from down there. So what I want to see is a Fibonacci retracement. This is no longer valid. They were just ripped right through it, meaning now it's a reversal to the upside. Now I want to see it pull back, and I'll find out where this is going to go. So it's trying to pull back here. So I'm going to look at the fib. Let's see how far it can pull back to, right? Where's the bottom here? Right down here. So let's see. It's a reversing. That's my tick strike. It's a software called tick strike that basically identifies when there's a block orders, large block orders of either buyers or sellers. When you hear it go off like a Geiger counter, there's a lot of. I just look and see where the buyers or the sellers are coming in. Right now, we have buyers coming in. That's why you have this pullback right here. See this pullback? There, they broke it. That's where you see that. Daily goes at least 50. Anywhere above the minimum is at least 50K. Rick. Oh, this one's just breaking up. Look at that. And I just want to see if I have a delay here. If I have a delay, yeah, look at that. So it's not really accurate. And I'm using a virtual private server. I can't believe I'm getting a delay like that. I think there's a lot of, yeah. Oops. There we are. See? I'm just watching and looking at this 243. Yeah, we have a little off. Yeah, we're a little off. Not that much, but still that delay. Oops. Yeah, this is going all the way up there. Testing that all the way down. So sometimes I want to just have this. Let me see if I can get this. Have it as on the top. This one. This is what I need. Oh, yeah. Always on top. There we are. See right there. Just want to see that. Now there's 0 second. So there. Oh, man. Look at that. Right here. This data lag right here. That right there. I'm delayed 4 point. You want to have that ideally below 1 second. Right now it's 4-second delay. See that right here, right? Oh man, they're just bringing this up. Look at that strong momentum. 7-second delay. That's a little too much. I want to trade when it's less than 1 second. If you're getting more than 1 second, don't delay because it's really delayed and you can see how it can affect. Man, what did they bring this up to? Huh. Hmm. They broke that. This one right here, a major resistance level. See, so what's a 20-second delay? You don't know where that is right now. Right now it's at 83, 83.50, right up here. 89 is going up, so let's see.
Order submitted.
But that's why. That's why ish. That's why. Let's see if they try to bring it up to 2. I have a pending order there. I was still a 16-second delay.
Order
And that
filled.
failed me. I'm going to get stopped out here. See, it's not really. I want to get it down here at least. Let's see, gets me to the. See that? Add more
Order
positions.
filled.
Let's see, gets up. I don't know if that's accurate. Look at that 26-second delay and increasing. I think I should have X maybe up here. See, it's going down. Try to get it up to here. So currently, I don't know what where is it closing because it's kind of not delayed here. Here we go. Yeah, you shouldn't lose on one trade more than 30% of your account balance. Okay, that's basically what it is on one trade. Okay, you cannot lose more than 30% of your balance on one trade. That's what it means. You got that, Larry? I'm delayed 30 seconds here. So the chart here is off. I'm just going by a tape. I'm just reading the tape right now. Yeah, unrealized. You can't breach that 30%. 30% of your balance on one trade. So make another 500 of it, okay. Maybe I should just cap it at 500. You can see it's just trying to get up there. 30-second delay still. Trying to make it up to 500. Let's close it at, I'll cap it at 5. I'll just close it out once it hits there. If it does reach there again, 273. Okay, it hit 3. See that, 25. 31. Oh, come on now. Don't do this to me. So we got some sellers coming in now. Come on, push it up. So it's okay to close it before hit and open again another entry. Yeah, as long as you don't hit that 30% on one trade. Okay, no delay now. So this is the really no delay right now. So this is what I'm looking at. So what are we seeing here? We're getting a mix where that closed right here. It didn't close above. So what you want to see is these candles. Okay. That kind of closed a little. Okay, let's see if they can make this one push. One more push. Hit my target at least. How many seconds? 15 seconds. See, they make a good push after the last 10 seconds here. It looks like they're trying not to. 7 seconds. Yeah, look at that. But at least it's going to be, hopefully it's going to be higher than the previous candle here. There it is. So let's see if we can continue going up. There we go. Come on, push. It looks like the momentum kind of quit. It's definitely be my last trade until the lunch break. There we go. 3. Make that one push. 3 seconds. They're going to close above the. Yep. Come on. Continue making those higher. So we have 3 consecutive candles now closing higher than the previous bar. Hmm. 30 seconds. Let's see what they can do. I'm just teasing people here. 20 seconds. You can do one more push up. Just don't close below the prior candle. 12, 9, 8, 7. Look at that. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and they did close below. But not that much. Let's see when they close above this 10 EMA. 30 seconds they can do. They just bounce off that. 9-second delay. Oh no. That's gonna skew where I'm at here. 12 seconds, 10, 9, 8. I hate that when that happens. Let's Oh man, going further and further down. This is just sucks. Let's see if it tests that. It's gonna try to test that. Uh, 21 EMA. No, 15-second delay. That's what happens when you have these delays. Hmm. Okay, no delay now. Let's see where this candle goes. We have 37 seconds left. Might as well put this here. Oh well. So where's it closed? So they closed it above, but they didn't close above the +2 deviation or +2 deviation. Let's see if it continues making higher here. Higher, higher. Yeah, if you feel that way, Larry, yeah, go ahead and trade with Tradeovate. Apex has Tradeovate with Trading View. I traded with Tradeovate before. I just didn't like it. I like Ninja Trader. So each of you guys, the traders, have their own preference. So I've been trading this for 10 years already with Ninja Trader. Okay, you see where that bar is closing? It's not getting above that plus 2 deviation. That's the reason why. Let's see what happens here. We got, let's see what they do here. It may just hit my stop here. Yeah, 6-second delay. Yep, probably hit my stop. Let's see.
Stop filled.
There we go. I only need 58.50, which, like I said, I'm going to trade the afternoon session. That basically went up to the, uh, what is that, 2.5 deviation, came back down. So that's fine. Okay, guys, that's what you call over trading. So here we're still closing above this 10 EMA. Any questions? Again, this is a evaluation. It's not a. So here we're going to be closing here. This is going to be a good trade coming down. Again, this is a we're in the middle of. Okay, let's go back to this 1 minute chart. You can see where the fair value gap is. You can see right here. This is the mid. So I may try to get here and come back up, right? Right here. And this is the first time actually it's testing it, so it may definitely come back up. And this was not much of a pullback here. Right here. This is not much of a pullback. So this is going to continue going. I want to see a deep pullback into the right here, down into the mid band, right? So now we're still above. Can we see how that's closing here? We're still closing above the 21 EMA. Okay, I no longer have a delay. Hmm. Okay, guys, that's it. It's close to noon. I think once it closes below this 21 EMA, I'm gonna get into that trade, get up, and see if we can get down to here. Again, we'll see what's going on with that. Let's look at where the MACD is in here. Yeah, it's really going down. See this? Yeah. So we're not, see this? We're not getting consecutive bars that's going down. We're not, or even going up. So it's just going up and down right now. Okay, let's see if this can go down there. At least down here, right down here. So I want to see this close below the 21 EMA. Ten seconds, nine. We're gonna be closing above. Let's see if we can close above the +2 deviation here. Reversal. We have a reversal bar up to the upside, to the bullish side on the Ninjarenkos. So let's see. It's already noon. That's top of the hour. They didn't do anything much. Talk to you guys tomorrow, same time. Let's see what I did here. Let's watch that. So this one is on a different account. Okay, we finished above there. You see that? There. See, this is the one. Yeah, well, I want to watch this carefully. So you got as high as, so this one's been losing ever since. So we're at basically 58.50. You got as high as 838. So let's see what happens here. Four, three, two, one. Let's go.
Order filled.
Oh, well, I got 10. Okay. Yeah. 10 contracts on there. Fifteen seconds. Let's see. We have 3 consecutive bars here, closing higher. Five, four, three, two, 1, 0. Not quite. We have a red. See that? Just as long as they're finishing above the 21 EMA and the 10 EMA, I'm happy with that because it has a probability they may go up, continue go up. So you were finishing above that, the 10 EMA. Now, if we close above that plus 2 deviation here, there's a strong possibility that it may try to get up here. But there's no volume right now. Lunchtime. 1.
Order filled.
So close lower. 3, 2, 1. It's still closing higher at least. You get small incremental higher candles. So we can get 1,000 here. We got delay here. Yeah, a little 2-second delay. 4-second delay. Okay, we closed above that structure. See that structure break right here? That's good. Hmm. 40 seconds. Try to come back down. A lot of time to make it back up. I'm gonna test my patience here. 14 seconds. Two seconds. So we close below. Let's see if they would go back up. Then we're still closing above the 10 EMA here. Closing above. The only exception was just this one right here. But we're still closing above the 21 EMA. See if we can make a push up here. We got 17 seconds. We closed a little above the prior candle. I mean, close above the prior candles, previous prior candles close. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. Oh man. Hmm. 27 seconds. Let's see if we can make push up here. Getting up to 700. Let's see if we can push the 1,000 here. 10, 9. As long as it closes above that prior candle. Oh man, looks like it won't. Yeah. But it's closing above the 21 EMA and the 10 EMA. 20 seconds. So are they going to try to stop me out here?
Stop filled.
It hit my thing, so that's okay. Small loss, 48.50. So we're closing below the 20. This is the first time we closed below the 21 EMA here. Okay, that's about it. This may just continue coming down. Let's see what do we do here. We want to see this break this swing, but let's see. 20 seconds. Look at that, 13.12.
Order filled.
Okay, that said, I'm gonna let you guys go. This is the final one. Unless you guys want to finish this, see how what happens to this. Again, we're finishing below. You see this? We're closing below the 21 EMA. We got over a little under 30 seconds left on this one. 17, 16, 12, 10, 9, 8, 5, 4, 3. I'm going to close above, but below the 10 EMA. Okay, guys, let you guys go. Well, this might just continue going down. It's such a tease. Ten, 9. Where are they going to close this? Below the 10 EMA still? Yep. Are they closing higher here? $14. Will they close higher and above that 10 EMA? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, they closed above. Two, 1, 0. So now technically, since this is going down, we're looking to see if we get down here at least. Let's see. I'll quit this at 12:30, the bottom of the hour. not quite below the mid-band, right at the mid-band. That's where it closed.
Order filled.